Alright friends, today we're making some frubbery robot skin. So this is almost like slime, I guess, but it's when you add borax to glue, a chemical change takes place that makes the glue stretchy instead of sticky. You flatten out the mixture, make a smooth layer of frubber-like material. Okay, don't put it down the drain. So what we've done so far is in a plastic cup, we've mixed 1/2 cup warm water and borax. Stir until the water is cloudy. That's not real clear on how much borax is it.
It's 2 to 3 teaspoons.
Okay, here's our supplies right here. 1 to 2 teaspoons of borax or Tide detergent. So that's what we've combined in the glass so far, and we have this kind of foggy looking liquid. Okay, so in the other cup, mix the remaining water and glue. Add a drop or 2 of food coloring if desired. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in this other cup. So how much water are we going to add here? This is a 1/2 cup right here?
That's a 1/2 cup. We're adding 3 teaspoons to this one.
Okay, add 3 teaspoons of water there. So we added 3 teaspoons of warm water, and now we're going to do
This is wood glue.
4 teaspoons white or gel glue. This is Elmer's glue, regular white glue. There we go, we've added the glue, and now what are we going to do?
Stir until smooth.
Stir until smooth. Start stirring. Look at that, stirring until smooth. Alright, now we're going to put some of the liquid from the borax cup into the glue cup, stir for a minute, and see how it changes. If the frubbery mixture is too sticky or runny, add a little more borax mixture. You should need no more than 2 teaspoons to get a nice stretchy frubber-like mixture. When it forms a solid blob, take it out and knead it on the plate by squeezing and squishing it with your hands. Okay, so we're going to add some of the borax liquid to the soap liquid. So how much does it say to add? Just add like a little bit. Okay, and then stir for a minute. Getting thick. Why doesn't it not look like it's getting thick?
I don't know. And the other one borax.
Is it getting thick?
I don't think so.
Alright, I don't know what's going on. We put like a ton more glue and a ton more borax, and it's just all liquidy. So we popped it in the microwave and seemed to work, but it's still a little runny. Oh, wait. Oh, that's cool. So apparently it wasn't, maybe the water says warm water. Maybe you needed hot water. So this is actually, yeah, kind of forming a little, kind of, okay. It's not bad. Just kind of, it's warm. Put it in the microwave because just stirring it wasn't working. So it actually firmed it up pretty good when this actually got a little bit hotter. So it should say instead of warm water, yeah, you need a little bit hotter water. So that's actually kind of good right there. It's pretty cool. It's not really sticking to my hand too much. What else? If it says if it's a little nice and stretchy, take it out and it almost should be like put it in the oven or something. And knead it on the plate by squeezing it and squishing it through your hands. So. Finally, we added a ton more glue and borax and cornstarch and everything to this. So let's kind of knead this together and get a final result here. Okay, another little trip in the microwave, and it's working pretty good. So I guess the only thing that we should have done differently is maybe use like hot water instead of warm water. It mixed a lot better. So it seems to be doing pretty good now. So, you know, maybe we added way too much stuff now. Anyways, looks kind of cool. Maybe we need some cornstarch or something in there. Okay, thanks for watching this video, my friend.